Everybody, today glazing day. Wow, look at that.
What do we have here?
This I actually made because my mom asked me to make some sort of a gift, a gift for her doctor. So, what do you think?
It's very nice.
Yes, it's black clay, and it's that dotted glaze.
It's not so steady.
No, I think it's because this. You see? Now it's fine.
It's a bowl.
It's a bowl. Fruit bowl. This I made for my mom. This. Mushroomies. See? Now that is not steady. Look at these working. We're gonna put them right here. Yep. Very nice. This I actually made and Kochi painted it, so I decided to give it to her. It's cute, no?
Yeah. Mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll keep it to myself. All right. Okay. Ooh.
Wow.
I made it.
Very nice.
It's actually it's a planter, but my mom didn't want a hole in it, so I didn't make a hole in it. But it's beautiful.
Wow. Very
Happy about it. Very happy about it. That's another one.
That's a beautiful brown.
It's actually black clay, red glaze. It's called something deep brick or something like that. And this is actually green, which turned out to be brown, which is beautiful. So I love it. Turned out beautiful. Now that, my mom, she's waiting for it. Wow.
Cute.
Yep. We can put them all together. Want to make a scene? Here, let's put them together like that.
Nice.
Cute. Okay, that's nice. These are cups for my manager. It's going to be a gift. It's good. Thank you. Okay. Now, what do we have here? Oh.
Wow. That's a nice plate.
It's a nice plate, but I knew the crack was there before, and I tried to. I put like a special glue. You see here?
Didn't help.
No, it didn't help. I knew it wasn't going to help. The only thing I was afraid that the glaze would go under, and something might happen to it. This Hadas made it. It's nice. No, and the same thing here. I told her, that cracks, you don't deal with cracks, but what can I do? Oh, that's the butterfly.
It's a nice butterfly.
Yeah. Butterfly. I thought it was going to come out more lilac, but it didn't. But it's still nice.
Yeah.
If you put them together. So like, let's say like that. It's not bad.
This is the hungry
The hungry caterpillar.
caterpillar.
Let's see if you hang it like that on the wall. It's cute, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow. Ouch. Kira made it. It's nice, huh?
It's nice. What is it?
It's, I don't know, it's some sort of a flower.
Shalom.
Shalom. Shalom, shalom. Now the birdies.
Wow.
Amazing, huh?
Wow.
Beautiful. This is how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna show you. And she's gonna put it like on a
branch.
or I don't know if she's gonna how she wants to do it, but this
Nice.
very nice.
Really good. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so that's it for today, for tonight. Thank you for watching. Bye.